The neck and the mid-back can get very stiff with all of our desk work, being very forward on our phones, and the muscles around the neck have to support our head all day. So posture plays a role. Also your sleeping position. Consider what position you're in. We want the neck to be as neutral as possible. And this is a great video to repeat several times a week. If you do have a lot of neck stiffness, I encourage you to try and put a heat pack on before you do this video. That's going to accelerate things a little bit as heat improves blood flow and helps to soothe muscles. So for today, all you need is a pillow and your yoga mat. If you have any sharp pain, please stop that movement and come back to us at the next stretch. So to start, we're going to do a fascial release of the neck. Fascia is the covering of our muscles and it runs all over our body. So what we're going to start with, we're going to place our hands on our collarbone. So where the collarbones meet the sternum, and we're going to pull that skin straight down, just like this. As I pull the skin down, I'm going to look up to the sky. So I'm getting a really strong stretch in through the front of the neck. We're just going to hold until we feel that sensation start to dissipate. Stretching is also all about angles. Our muscles run in different orientations as well as our fascia. So we want to capture those angles by changing the direction of the stretch. So just look a little bit to the right. Now I'm getting a little bit more of that stretching through here. We're going to rotate now to the left. And just play with some angles. Look over your left shoulder. You can look over your right shoulder. Let's hold the position that feels tightest. Good, we're gonna do a few more seconds here. Good, all right. We're gonna do now neck CARs. So CARs stand for controlled articular rotations, essentially just some joint circles. We're gonna start, let's point the chin down to the chest, chin along the collarbone, ear to shoulder, head back, ear to opposite shoulder, chin down, back to center. We're just gonna repeat that a couple more times towards the right. Let's do 2 more to the right. Last one. Good. All right, let's go towards the left. Chin along the collarbone, ear to shoulder, head back, ear to opposite shoulder, chin down, back to center. Let's do 3 more to the left. Nice. Okay. With this forward posture, we get very tight pecs. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring our arms out in front of us. We're going to open those arms behind us, pointing the thumbs back, and then just building some momentum. So you almost kind of want the thumbs to point and touch each other, or that's the motion we're aiming for. All right. We're going to go on a diagonal now. So here and then switch. Good. All right, we're gonna get onto all fours and we're gonna work on some flexion and extension. So what this looks like, pushing that mid back to the sky as high as you can as you tuck that head, and then push the chest to the floor, looking up. We're just gonna flow through that. Mid back to the sky, and then chest down, look up. We're gonna flow through a few more of those. Let's do one more each way. Good. Now we're going to bring our left shoulder to our left hip, and then right shoulder to right hip. Now we're getting a bit of side flexion. Let's do one more each direction. Good. All right, we're gonna now put one hand behind our head. We're gonna bring, so I have my left hand up. I'm bringing my left elbow to my right elbow, and then my left elbow to the sky. So we're just gonna flow through that. Left elbow to right elbow, left elbow to the sky. So now we're getting some rotation. Let's do one more on this side. Good. All right, we're gonna switch. Let's now bring the right hand behind the head, bringing the right elbow to the left elbow, right elbow up to the sky. Let's do 4 more. Good. Okay, we're gonna build on that rotation of that thoracic spine, and we're gonna grab our pillow. We're gonna have the head on the pillow on our side, and we're gonna have both arms out in front. What we're gonna do an open book. So we're opening that top arm, bringing it to the left, and then looking towards that direction as well, back to center. Open up, looking to the left. Good. So what this is my left arm is coming up towards the left and back to center. Let's do 2 more on this side. Good. Okay, we're gonna switch sides. So now we're gonna rotate with our right arm. So we're laying on our side, arms out in front of us. Open that right arm to the right, and then back to center. Let's do 5 more. Good. All right. All right, lastly, we're gonna finish with a neck stretch. So we just did a lot of mobility, joint mobility. Now we're gonna do a static stretch to stretch those muscles. So we're gonna sit on our left hand, and we're gonna lean our right ear to our right shoulder. You can take your right hand and we'll gently guide it towards the right. You're gonna get a big, strong stretch in through the side of the neck. And we're just gonna hold. All right, now we're gonna stay seated on that hand, and we're gonna bring our nose to our right armpit, and then we can gently pull that head down. Now we're getting a bit of a stronger stretch in through the back of the neck. Good, we're gonna switch sides, so slowly come out of that. We're gonna sit now on the right hand. We're gonna lean our left ear to left shoulder, You can use the left hand, gently guide it towards the left. Good. Now we're going to bring our nose to our left armpit. Gently guide that head down. Good. All right. There we have it. Week 1 of our mobility club. For those of you with a lot of neck pain or neck tightness, consider trying a heat pack for 5 or 10 minutes before repeating this video.